I'm Ben Morrell with Voortman Steel Machinery, and today I'm at Can-Am Bridge in Quebec, Canada. Can-Am Bridge has a V633 and VB1250 from us, and in this case it's an MSI, so that means the machines are split from each other. The 633 has a roller feed system, and the split VB1250 has a truck measuring system with small part removal. The in-feed of the system starts outside under a covered craneway. Here we have the Voortman 633 in-feed. We have 16-foot double drag dog in-feed, dual light curtains, and a 60-foot in-feed that then goes into the 633M. We're going to take a look inside the 633. This particular model is the 633M. That means it has a roller feed system. We have two pinch roll systems inside of here that have a sub-X axis between them. That gives the machine the ability to work on all four sides of the material within about a 12-inch gap to do layout marks, drilling, and milling with each spindle simultaneously, regardless of where they line up within that 12-inch area. Here we have a nice example of where the 633 can shine. When you look at the hole pattern on this particular product, none of the hole centers match up. So the 633 is able to produce all the flange holes simultaneously, regardless of their x-axis position. The 633 comes equipped with 3 spindles, and each spindle has a 14 tool changer. But sometimes that's not enough. When you need to change a tool on the fly without interrupting the operation of the machine, we have a hatch that you can simply access the tool changer. Opening this disables the movement of the tool changer. Place it in, close her up, and the machine will continue to run. This is the VB1250 sawing system. At this installation, it's separated from the drill line. This is to improve capacity, output, and efficiency of the total system. It uses its own measuring system, and in this case, it is the dual gripper system. First, as you'll see, that there are 2 grippers here. We have the first short gripper that is going to grab the product. This allows us to shorten the length of the total system by having a shorter gripper, but still take advantage with the second gripper of the small part removal system and allow us to measure all the way up to that small piece removal system. The next advantage is that the entire measuring system can move away from the datum line. So we can take advantage of the early in-feed at the VB1250 as well. Every Voortman Steel Machinery beamline is equipped with the early in-feed feature. What that means is when the machine is done processing a part, the trail edge is going to pass a photo cell, prompting the machine to bring in the next piece, reducing the amount of downtime between products. Once the VB1250 has got done cutting the part, the system has one of 2 options. Any product that is over 55 inches is going to automatically traverse out to the center outfeed system. Any product below 55 inches is going to take advantage of the Voortman small part removal system. It's made of 2 basic components. One, the vertical clamping system. This grabs the part, takes it out to the small part removal table. Once it's released it onto the small part removal table, it automatically ejects that small part out of the way to be collected by an operator at a later time. Is a great example of a piece that was milled using both spindles at the same time. You can actually see, if you look a little closer, that it's left 2 stitches. This stops this piece from falling out and damaging the machine. Once the product's removed from the system, a fabricator can use a grinder or a plasma torch to remove the stitches. It's a very simple, fast process. When deciding on a new beamline, you don't know if you want a back-to-back system, split system, or a full MSI. Voortman is here to help. The Voortman sales team is supported by a team of engineers that are going to analyze your data, your models, your future production, your past production. And we're going to put a modular system together specifically for what you need and meet your requirements.